See, test design phase in software test process. Software test process, or you can say software test life cycle. Test life cycle. See, as usual, input, or you can say references, reference documents. Next, tasks, important tasks. Next, output. Input or references. Mamata, can you guess the inputs for test design phase of software test process?
Creating the test cases.
Creating test cases is task. It is not input or reference document, isn't it?
A requirement document,
Yes,
sir.
requirements mandatory for every phase. Requirements is mandatory for every phase. Name whatever it may be. Whatever it might be. Some companies use SRS, software requirement specification. Some companies call, and one more thing, this SRS consists of two sub documents. One is SRS, system requirement specification. Another is FRS, functional requirement specification. Next, some companies use just a minute. Some companies use CRS, customer requirement specification, or client requirement specification. Some companies call PRD, product requirements document, etc. names, but requirement, generic name is requirement. Requirements are next.
And the test plan.
Yes, test plan required. Test plan.
And the test strategy.
Test strategy not required. Say you can find test strategy in test plan document. We already implemented. We no need that high level document again. Next, see actually these two are the mandatory inputs. These two are the mandatory inputs. Next, optional inputs. Optional.
Test data.
Test data is not input. That is, I will explain. Design docs. Optional. Process guidelines. Process guidelines docs, one or more if available. Next, corporate standards docs, one or more. Observe here one more thing also there. Test case template. Test case template. Test case template. Put mute. Somebody's nice. Suleiman. Put mute, Suleiman. Observe Mamata. Requirements test plan document. Mandatory references. Next, if available, design documents, process guidelines documents, corporate standard documents also useful. Okay. Next, test case template, test data template required. Suppose if we use any tool, tool provides templates. Okay, na Ritesh? Suppose if we use ALM having built-in templates, na?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, if you follow manual process only, you follow your company prescribed format, Excel sheet, etc. Okay. Next, continue, Madhavi. Tasks. What are the important tasks in test design phase? Understanding requirements mandatory. Here analyzation not required. Just a minute. Understanding requirements. Continue, Madhavi.
Writing test cases.
Before that, derive or generate test scenarios. Which one is superior?
Scenarios are
Scenario
superior.
superior. Generate test scenarios. Next.
Generate test cases.
Just a minute. Test case documentation. Test case documentation. Next.
Traceability matrix.
Update traceability matrix. Okay.
Yeah.
Update. Update traceability matrix.
Prepare
Document.
test data.
Here next, you are telling prepare test data. Suitable term is collect test data. Collect test data. Observe why I am using this term collect test data instead of preparing test data. We prepare test cases, but test data, some test data testers prepare. For example, phone number object is there, phone number field is there. It has to accept 10-digit numeric values as per requirement. For that, you can prepare test data. You can prepare valid inputs and invalid inputs. Suppose another one, cities information is there. Cities information. That cities information based on customer business. You need to collect the data from the customer. Sometimes we collect test data from developers also. For example, some error messages are there, some objects information is there. We need to collect the data from development team. See, observe, Supriya. Some test data we prepare. Some test data we collect from the customer. Some test data we collect from developers. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Collect test data. These are the important tasks in test design phase. Next, output.
Test case documentation.
Test case documents. One or more. Test case documents. Next, test data. See, test case documents. Test case documents and test data. See, observe, I will provide one example. Observe Virat. Suppose test requirement. Test requirement. See, we have different types of test requirements. Different types of test requirements. Example, functional test requirement. Next, performance test requirement. Next, this one, usability test requirement. etc. Say I am taking functional test requirement. Functional test requirement. Say my functional test requirement is, as per customer, log into application, using valid username and password. Okay, log into application using valid data, valid input. Log into application using valid input. This is my functional test requirement. Observe, Ritesh. I will show one small my own application. Just a minute. Just a minute. gcrit.com/build3admin. Just a minute. Log into application. Here, derive test scenarios. Derive test scenarios from this functional requirement. Ritesh, test scenarios. Say we have positive and negative scenario. And one more thing, one test scenario may have one or more test cases. One test scenario may have one or more test cases. Say, for covering one scenario, multiple test cases required. For example, for covering one scenario, single test case also sufficient. Say, test scenario using one or more test cases, we cover test scenarios. Test scenario. In this for this requirement, write test scenarios.
Sir, login functionality.
Suppose, just a minute. Test scenario 1. Positive scenario. Log into application. Log into application using valid username and password. See, one test scenario may have one or more test cases. Okay. Next, test scenario 2.
Login to application.
Invalid login attempt. It has to prevent invalid attempts, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
See, observe this first one, positive scenario. Second one, negative scenario. Next, test cases. Supriya, you take positive scenario. For this
Yes,
positive scenario, only one test case enough, na?
Yes, sir.
Single test case. Okay, you can follow any format. Suppose test case log into application with
Username
valid
and valid username and password.
username and valid password. Single test case. See, in this test case, you have to write test case ID, test case name, steps to execute. Next, expected result, status of the result, etc. fields, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
See, here I am not explaining complete test case template. Just test case name. Just test case name. Here you have to write test case ID as per your company template. Test case ID, test case description, steps, expected result, etc.
Actually,
Next, actual result after execution, isn't it?
yes, sir.
See, actual results, next status of the result, pass or fail, after execution only. Okay. See, in test case template, we fill some fields before test execution. We fill some other fields after test execution, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Say, test data. Suppose for this application test data, username equal to admin password admin at 123. We must know the valid input. Suppose, just a minute, admin at 123. Click login. Okay.
Home page.
Login. This application home page na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Observe. This is test case for positive scenario.
Positive scenario.
Here only one test case is enough now for this scenario.
Yes, sir.
For already told, test scenario may have one or more test cases. Second scenario, for second scenario, we require multiple test cases. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, test case 1, login attempt, okay, or login to application using valid
username, invalid password.
code, valid, just a minute, valid, why it is valid username,
Invalid password.
and for example invalid password. This is one test case. In test automation, we cover all negative test cases in one test using data driven testing concept. But in manual testing, no data driven testing concept. We need to execute each and every test case manually, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is one test case. Next, test case 2. Log into application using valid username. Invalid username, another combination. Invalid username and valid password. Next
time both invalid.
See, test case 3. Log into application using invalid username and invalid password, etc. You can write, if you want better coverage, you can write some more test cases also. Observe Virat. See, these 3 negative test cases are important. If you want to cover more, you can write some more test cases also. So for example, login to application, use blank username, valid password. Next, valid username, blank password, etc. Isn't it? Virat respond. Venkat.
Yes, sir. That
Okay. Venkat, suppose instead of admin, here admin, suppose Hyderabad. Next, just a minute. Venkat, are you following? Admin.
Sir, for this,
Okay, Venkat. Somebody trying to say something, just wait. Next, last one. Like this. Tell me, somebody trying to say something?
sir, for this test case too,
Test
the
case.
username should be invalid, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
For this test case too,
Test
username
case to
should be
log into application.
invalid username, but you enter here valid username.
Okay. Test data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. First one. Test case one.
It's
Valid
yeah.
username, invalid password. Valid username.
It's reverse.
Reverse.
Yes, sir.
Admin.
Invalid password.
Invalid password. Suppose ABCD 1 2 3. We know the valid. Valid is valid only one, isn't
Valid
it?
is
No
one.
multiple
Yes,
valids. Admin at 1 2 3. This is the valid data. Username and password. Here admin valid. ABCD 1 2 3 invalid. Next, just a minute. Suppose Hyderabad invalid. What about this one? Admin at
admin at
1 2 3. Valid na? For test
Yes,
case
sir.
2, valid password. Next, both
Yes.
invalid. Last one, Hyderabad invalid. XYZ 1 2 3 4 invalid. Okay na?
Sir, yes.
Okay. Okay na, Ritesh? Test requirement, test scenario, test case, and test data. Okay na?
Yes, sir. Follow it.
If it is automation, observe Madhavi. If it is automation, we no need to write these 4 test cases. You observe advantage of test automation. I explained one point. Automated test scope is very high than manual test case. Here, using data-driven testing feature, we can cover all these 4 test cases. All these 4. Scenario 1 and scenario 2. All these 4 test cases in single automated test. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Using data-driven testing feature in test automation, we can cover all these positive and negative test cases in single test. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is income. See, so far we completed 2 phases in this software test process: test planning and test design. Next, 2 more phases are there. In the next class, Monday, I will explain test execution and test closure. After that, we will continue mainstream. Our mainstream is Selenium test process. We will continue Selenium test process. Okay, I'm going to close the session. Today we discussed in the second chapter, introduction to Selenium chapter, 3 topics: advantage of Selenium, disadvantage of Selenium. Next, Selenium versus UFT. Next chapter, third chapter, software test process. We discussed 2 topics: test planning and test design. I'm going to close the session. Any queries? Any queries one by one? First, Dilpreet, any queries regarding today's class?
No, sir, no queries.
Madhavi?
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Welcome. Madhumati,
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Mamata,
Sir, yes, sir. What is page object model, sir?
that we will discuss later. It's not time to discuss. Just know know the word, know the term enough.
Okay, sir.
We will discuss later. Page object model. It is a design pattern used for maintaining the elements in a centralized location. Okay. Ritesh,
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Saloni,
I'm good, thank you.
welcome. Supriya,
Yes, sir, I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
okay. Venkat, okay, Venkat. Venkat sent a message. Virat from
I'm good. Thank you.
welcome. That one. Suleiman.
Yes. Yeah.
Any queries?
Oh, no, it's okay. Everything is clear.
Okay. Okay. We'll meet on Monday, same time. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.